Look at this little baby. He's looking at his mama. He is 3 weeks old, 21 days old. And he's, when I weighed him last couple hours ago, he was 90.5 grams. Actually, he outweighs either one of his parents right now. Outweighs his mama by 10 grams. Ooh, he's been using his beak last couple days. What I wanted to show, what's different about him today, is look on his back there. See that double line? See that? Look at that double line. I know. It's like Daddy's messing with you, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah, you the big baby. Yeah, my baby. You singing a song? Ooh, what kind of song is it, little baby? That's such a nice little baby. You're such a nice little baby. Ooh, your daddy loves you. You're a nice little baby. And they just inhale you, doesn't they? They just inhale you like a drug. Yep. Go, mama. Go eat some bites. Go feed him and stuff. Look at this little baby. Look at this little baby. 3 weeks old now. 3 weeks old. Ooh. Oh, look at him go. Look at the baby. Ooh, my. Look at that. Oh, look at that baby. Are you gonna fly? Are you gonna fly? Are you gonna fly? Oh, my. Look at that. Oh, look at him. Look at him go. My. Look at that little guy. Who wants to be a fledgling? He says, yeah, I want to be a fledgling. I want to be a fledgling. Let me show you how I can get my wings going. Let me show you how I can stretch. Oh, it's a big baby. Let me tell you what.